A few months ago, I started using Claude AI to hunt trending wholesale electronics that I could safely list on eBay to resell. After a couple of risky ideas that almost got my account flagged, I finally found a simple system that's printing consistent profits with strong margins. We have real numbers to show you that it's legit. But the most important part isn't even the money. It's how stupidly simple the whole process was. See, Claude finds the trending products with the margins, helps me calculate real profit after fees, and of course keeps everything compliant so I don't have to worry about bank. So whether you're brand new or already flipping product, this workflow is copy and paste. Now, give me 10 to 12 minutes and I'll show you the exact prompts for this process that I use to source products that actually make me money without having to worry about the ban hammer. Now, let's stop overthinking. You don't need any crazy trending products that a bunch of gurus come on here and try to push out. Now, you have a bunch of people also pushing tools like AutoDS and things that will find you the trending products you need to sell. That's complete bull. Listen, I'm telling you guys the truth. It's not about what people are selling you. It's about time over money. It's about making sure that you are ahead of the competition. You're able to find products that your competition isn't consistently looking at. See, with all of these AutoDS and subscriptions that they're trying to push because they have free trials, all of these platforms are pushing things out to resellers just like you consistently. What if we can use AI to actually create a development plan for us on our accounts, our eBays, our Mercaris, Poshmarks, and more, have it nurtured to our personal desires and needs. This is something that I will show you, and I think something you will love. Because see, I've seen people, including myself, make a lot of money off of simple products people actually need, products that don't cost a lot of money, and most importantly, don't get you banned. It doesn't always have to be the sexy Earbuds or the trending product cologne. You can sell products that people need and get them for a healthy profit margin. You've just been doing it wrong the whole time. But thankfully, Claude will help us solve this problem. First, we're gonna hop into Claude, type this in. Find trending electronics and accessories for eBay reselling in 2026 that are safe for wholesale sourcing, low band risk, and have strong profit margins. Include power banks, chargers, cases, refurbished phones, or similar. Give me wholesale cost estimates, suggested sell price, margin calculator, packaging compliance checklist, and eBay policy tip. We're trying to create a channel that is going to feed this information consistently. It says, now I have everything needed. It gives us top 8 products. So we have 10,000, we have power banks, 10,000 mAh, 20,000 mAh. We have the 20 watt to 65 wall chargers. We have TPU phone cases, refurbished smartphones, tempered glass, USB-C cables, wireless earbuds, magnetic car mounts. Now, what's interesting about this is that it's giving us in each section, it has wholesale cost, eBay sales price, estimated net profit, and then a margin. All the margins are pretty well, right? None of them are really under 40% except for the refurbished smartphone. But I want to just highlight that phones actually have medium risk of actually getting you banned or even you just losing money. Look at the margins. Margins are 30 to 35% when you're selling a cellular device versus if you're selling an accessory, 58, 65, 48 is the lowest, I believe. Honestly, the reason you'll find that these margins are low is because the higher ticketed the item, the lower the profit will be because you're kicking out more money to get this product. This right here is going to be earbuds. Has the medium risk, obviously, because there are people that like to lie and say that they're Apple. Look at the wholesale cost. You have $6 to $15. The eBay sell price, $22 to $45. The estimated net is $10 to $22. But in reality, you'd make more. If we went to a platform like WESPLY.com, we go over to the products, we go to audio, we can even go back to the basics like the Gen 2. If we go ahead and let's say get 4 packs, we see 4 packs, $82. $82 for 4. We go 82 divided by 4. Okay, that's $20.50. That is how much you'll be able to get each of these if you get a pack of 4. If you get more, obviously it goes all the way down to like $14, okay? You're able to sell those for higher than $45. You can even sell them up to $60 to $70. And you know what I like about it is this is data oriented. So it's not just going off of advice or some type of influencer telling you trying to sell a product. What product should I list first to get my eBay up and running? So what it ends up pulling up is Based on the data above, TPU phone cases are the best fit. Now, I completely disagree. I'll tell you why this is telling you that. Well, it's telling you because of the numbers. The practical move: order 100 to 20 units of iPhone 16 Samsung cases, list them for $8 to $12. The problem is, if we go to eBay, you say iPhone 16 cases, you'll see that there are indeed cases for around 8, 9. Cases are highly competitive. These are everywhere on eBay. I need a product that is selling fast. The cases are saturated. Let me think about this more carefully. Okay, so now it brings up multiple port JAN charging station. So we're gonna take that product and now look at what it's showing you. It's showing you charging ports. Now, this is a certain brand of a charging port, but there is a beauty in this, because if you're somebody out there that uses platforms like AliExpress, prime example, right? Or even Alibaba, we can type that in right here and we can start actually seeing different ones. But look at this. We have one for $3.97. It's local. So they're shipping this in the United States. Let's go to Alibaba. Now, Alibaba will always give you products faster, in my opinion. You always want to ask the supplier, do they have a US location? Then we have options now, and we have a bunch of chargers. We can look at this, Google Trends. So charging stations is going up. Now, what this is showing you, that we have the Apple charging station that is trending. We have a wireless charging station. So charging stations seem to be a product, or the product style that is selling. Okay, charging stations seem to be trending. Give me 5 generic ones I can source from platforms like Alibaba or AliExpress that are selling. All right, so now it has loaded and look at what we have. So it tells us what product is the term that is selling, right? The best entry point is the 65 watt 4-point GAN wall charger. Again, guys, you do not have to worry about the brand, you just worrying about the product. So let's type it in. These are chargers, but look over to Claude, it tells us eBay listing angle, 65 watt 4-point fast charger, charging laptop plus 3 devices. So this is going to be a title you want to put it at, right? And the reason is because buyers searching these can't find many clean generic listings at a fair price, $20 to $28, undercuts Anchor by 40% and wins the sale. We can see there are too many high-priced adapters out there. We need to figure out how to get into this section. So what we're gonna do is we're going to find a 4-port, okay, a 65 watt 4-port fast charger. I'm gonna go over to Alibaba and it's going to pull up matches for this. Now, look, here we go. Boom, right here. This is one that is selling. We can also find other ones, okay? Now, this one right here is order 10 pieces for $1.35, but you have a bunch of different options. Now, I'm just showing you one sector of the business. I can create a whole hour video of me showing you all of the products that I would start searching, including the wireless adapters, chargers, including the headphones. There's a bunch of ways to use Claude, but Claude actually is gonna help you. Look, 120 watt 6-port charging stand, right? It says that LCD screen can make your listing different from others. Buyers click it over plain looking competitors. So it's telling you how you can make your product stick out without needing any type of third-party app to suggest these products to you. It's doing it. We've already showed with Google Trends that these are products. Look, 3-in-1 Apple charging stand. Guys, a 3-in-1 stand is not hard to find, and most 3-in-1 stands, especially on eBay, are going to be mainly for Apple. Mainly for Apple. Now, again, this is something you can automate consistently every week to find out what products are actually selling. So what you could usually do is say, I want you to give me a prompt that I can use every week to refresh me on what products to look for to sell on eBay. Then it will give you a prompt. Also, what you could do, create a checklist for me to use each week to get the max out of the products I am finding. Now it gives you the prompt. You copy this prompt, put it in Google Docs, product views. I'm gonna copy this prompt, take it over here, boom. So here it is. Here is the checklist that it created. You see, this is something you can literally utilize weekly and find products, sell products, source products, and make sure your eBay store always feels refreshed and is profitable. So phase 1, product research, run your weekly AI research prompt, which we have already pasted in our Google Docs. check eBay sold listings for each product idea, count active competitors' listings, so the competitors listing the same product, identify your listing angle, which Claude lets you know at the bottom of each prompt, check Google Trends for momentum signals. We've already done that. Phase 2, sourcing and ordering, find 2 to 3 competitive suppliers for each product. Then it just consistently goes. It has these phases that you can utilize for each of the listings. And this keeps you organized and most importantly, helps you inspect what you expect with the products. Now, this is actually available for you to actually download right now. I have the link below. It is actually the one I've created with the prompts that I've been using. And you could do this on your iPhone and check each one off individually, or you can print it out every single Monday. But this is available to you resellers. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you. Check out the checklist for you to utilize. I have other freebies that are linked below. And of course, if you need any type of products, if you're trying to get into reselling, check out wesply.com, which is the wholesale website that we've created for resellers that don't need any resellers permit, business license. It doesn't have any caps that most of these reselling platforms will give you. And we ship within 2 days. My warehouse is located in the United States. It's in Philadelphia. We ship, make sure you guys have products to actually scale. And of course, if you guys are looking to communicate with me in any type of capacity with the community is linked below. It is definitely something you guys should get into with our ability to list, ship, and provide products for you on eBay. Thank you, and I will see you guys in the next video.